Today we are going to see a simple banana bread. We will do it in just 3 steps. Okay, it's unbelievable. Let's begin. So, the main ingredient, very ripe banana. I have taken just one banana. I'll just cut it in small pieces and I just mash it with a fork. Banana is mashed. Here comes step number 2. 1/4 cup of sweetened condensed milk. That will come around 50 to 65 grams. That's it. Moving on to step number 3. Step number 3. Half cup of all-purpose flour, 3/4 teaspoon of baking soda. That's it. Let's mix it and the batter is ready. Vanilla essence is optional. If you want, you can add few drops. So the batter is ready in 3 steps. Let's transfer it to the tray we are going to bake it in.